But Neil, relays and fuses, shoot, power. Now these are the factory plugs here. I've got the factory plugs on this loom. We can cut them off and we just put universals on. But that's the factory one, you can see that, and it just plugs in. And there's the second one for the gearbox control. I've made it between here and here is actually 1.2 meters long. So you can put it in the cabin. Those just plug in, that just plugs in. We put the fuel pump on there. Oh, pedal. So I've got a plug for a pedal. Of course, I'll give you the other side of it. Depending on which pedal you use, we can make a loom whatever size you want, or you can make that up there. Okay, so I'm using a Hilux one for this one. And then what I do, I put that in there like that. Yep. And I put that on there. And it runs. Super simple. Super easy. Oh, shifter. On this one's got a few more plugs here over here. Tacho, check engine light, stop light, both of them. So the positive and the negative of the stop light, that's important. Or the naturally open, naturally closed. Okay. Drive 2, Allen 4 for the shifter. So those are all there. So that's super easy. You just basically have to add one earth if you plug into the factories. Otherwise, we're cutting it off. Be careful of this fella here. That's earths. You can see mine are all linked. Right, hope that's helpful.